Laziest ways to become a millionaire. Finding the laziest way to become a millionaire may not be the most practical approach, as wealth typically requires significant effort, skill, or luck. However, there are different levels of effort required on the path to wealth accumulation and financial success. Many dream of reaching that coveted millionaire status without the grind of a 9-to-5 job or the relentless hustle of entrepreneurship. 5 of the laziest ways you can become rich. 1. Investing in stocks and bonds. This is often considered a passive way to grow wealth. Long-term investments in diversified portfolios, including stocks and bonds, have historically provided returns that outpace inflation. This method requires initial capital, adding to it, and a good understanding of the market. 2. Real estate investment. Passive income can be generated through real estate investments. This could involve renting properties, flipping properties, or investing in real estate investment trusts, REIs. While it requires a significant initial investment, loans can be used to leverage purchases, offering a steady income stream and capital appreciation. 3. High-interest savings accounts, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit. While the returns are typically lower than stocks or real estate, these are lower-risk options. Money in these accounts accrues interest over time, requiring minimal effort from the investor. 4. Automated business or passive income streams. This could involve creating a product or service that requires minimal daily management but generates ongoing income, such as digital products, licensing, or affiliate marketing. 5. Intellectual property royalties. Earning royalties from intellectual property, like patents, book royalties, or copyrights, can provide a passive income stream. This requires an initial creative effort, but can pay dividends for years. Becoming a millionaire doesn't always require hard labor or a 9-to-5 grind. For those who prefer a more laid-back approach, several paths to wealth require minimal daily effort. Follow AID for more fascinating news and updates. Thanks.